I am reviewing the subtitles of the sections that belong to the 2014 New York City Building Code. And I left off with Chapter 13, Energy Efficiency. Looks like we just have one, 1301 General. Moving on to Chapter 14, Exterior Walls, 1401 General, 1402 Definitions, 1403 Performance Requirements, 1404 Materials, 1405 Installation of Wall Coverings, 1406 Combustible Materials on the Exterior Side of Exterior Walls, 1407 Metal Composite Materials, known as MCM, and 1408 Exterior Insulation and Finish Systems, EIFS. Gonna move on to 15. Roof assemblies and rooftop structures. We have 1501 General, 1502 Definitions, 1503 Weather Protection, 1504 Performance Requirements, 1505 Fire Classification, 1506 Materials, 1507 Requirements for Roof Coverings, 1508 Roof Insulation, 1509 Rooftop Structures, 1510 Re-roofing, 1511 Solar Photovoltaic Panels, Modules, and Required Sustainable Roofing Zones. Moving on to 16, Structural Design, 1601 General, 1602 Definitions and Notations, 1603 Construction Documents, 1604 General Design Requirements, 1605 Load Combinations, 1606 Dead Loads, 1607 Live Loads, 1608 Snow Loads, 1609 Wind Loads, 1610 Soil Lateral Load, 1611 Rain Loads, 1612 Flood Loads, 1613 Earthquake Loads, 1614 Structural Integrity Definitions, 1615 Structural Integrity Prescriptive Requirements, 1616 Structural Integrity Key Element Analysis, 1617 Structural Peer Review, 1618 Loads on Temporary Installations. Let's see how many. Oh boy. Chapter 17, Structural Test and Special Inspections, 1701 General, 1702 Definitions, 1703 Approvals, 1704 Special Inspections, 1705 Reserved, 1706 Reserved, 1707 Special Inspection for Seismic Resistance, 1708 Reserved, 1709 Reserved, 1710 Reserved, 1711 Design Strengths of Materials, 1712 Alternative Test Procedure, 1713 Test Safe Load, 1714 In Situ Load Test, 1715 Pre-Construction Load Test, 1716 Material and Test Standards. Chapter 18, Soils and Foundations, 1801, General and Definitions, 1802, Geotechnical Investigations and Material Classifications, 1803, Excavation, Grading, and Fill, 1804, allowable load-bearing values of soils and rock. 1805, shallow foundations. 1806, retaining walls and other retaining structures. 1807, damp proofing and waterproofing. 1808, deep foundations. 1809, driven piles. 1810, cast-in-place concrete piles. 1811, composite piles. 1812, helical piles. 1813, liquefaction analysis. 1814, underpinning and support of adjacent property. We will leave off with 19 on the next video. Thanks.